Alright, peradventure your Instagram is showing this, I'll be showing you how to fix it right away. Well, for me, my account was showing that I have been suspended before, though I abandoned it. So when I come back to try to recover it, this is now what they are showing me. It is not showing suspended again, but I still feel this is a suspended account, regardless of what you are seeing right here. On my screen, they are saying that they have locked my account to protect me from a possible hack, and they gave me a list of ways I can recover the account. So let me go ahead and show you how to go about recovering your account on Instagram. So I'll be choosing the second method, which is get code via phone. So once I tap on that, I'll click on continue right here. So let's wait for this. So you can see they said check your text message, enter the code sent to my number. So let me go ahead and check the code that they sent to me. So you can see the code right here, 258021. 258021. By the way, if you are new on this channel, my name is Charles Chinonso, and right here I talk about ways you can make money online, how to tutorials, and also how you can grow your YouTube channel. So if this is your first time right here, do it to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. Alright, so I'm done inputting the code. I'll go ahead and click on continue right here. So once I click on continue, this is loading. So they said I should put in a new password for myself. So right here, I'll put a password which only me will remember. So I'll actually cover that so that I don't get to see my password. So I'm done inputting my password. So I'll click on continue right here. So once I click on continue, this is rolling. So this is the next step they are showing me. So they said you should review your contact info to ensure that the person that tried hacking you has not changed your contact info. So I'll click on review right here. So once I click on review, so right here I'll check all my contact info if they are still correct. Awesome, they are all correct. So I just click on back right here. Once I click on back, you can see they said contact info reviewed just now. So it means I've done my review. So right here they say you should do some additional security steps, which is you setting up your two-factor authentication. So I advise you to go ahead and do this so that you get to secure your account from future hack. So once you are done with all this, then automatically your account is recovered. Do you understand? In case you don't want to go about doing that, it's still fine, but I will advise you to do that for your own safety. So I'll click on cancel right here, and you see that I'm back on my account. So let's click on refresh. I'll click on save login info. You can see my account is back right here. And basically, that is how you go about recovering your suspended Instagram account. So if you got value watching this video, do it to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.